The dog jumped blank the wall. On, over, above. Well, here's the wall. Now, if the dog is standing or walking, we use on. The dog is walking on the wall because he's touching the wall. But if the dog is jumping from one side to the other, here we use over because he's moving. So the key word in this question is jumped. So we use over. The dog jumped over the wall. This one. What about this? Above. Well, if there is something here, like a lamp or something, not touching the wall, we say above. The lamp is above the wall. So again, we use on if the thing is touching. We use above if not touching. And we use over if it's moving from one side to the other. Clear? Every morning I get blank my bicycle and go to school. Over and on. Same rule. Here's the bicycle, and here you are sitting, touching, right? So we use on. I get on my bicycle. This one. We